Hi everyone, hope you all are good. We are here for grade 7 math. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password is provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 7 math and then click on view all lessons. Here you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter geometric measurement. The lessons we're going to cover today are semicircles, calculate area, perimeter, radius, and diameter. Quarter circles, calculate area, perimeter, and radius. Area of compound figures with triangles, semicircles, and quarter circles. Area between two shapes. So please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well. Here I am on grade 7 math. The chapter we are on right now is geometric measurement. Let's just start with the lesson that is semicircles, calculate area, perimeter, radius, and diameter. The diameter of the semicircle is 8 centimeter. What is the semicircle's radius? So the radius of the semicircle is diameter divided by 2. So diameter is 8. 8 divided by 2 is 4 centimeter. So the radius is 4 centimeter. The radius of a semicircle is 2 inches. What is the semicircle's perimeter? So you are given the radius, that is 2 inches. You need to calculate the semicircle's perimeter. So that is P equals 2 pi r divided by 2 plus 2r. So you just have to replace the values in the variable. You replace the values of the variable and just do the calculation, that is P equals 2 pi r divided by 2 plus 2r. So the parameter is 10.28 inches. 8 centimeters. What is the circle's parameter? You are given the diameter. You have to calculate the parameter of the circle. The formula to calculate the parameter of the circle is P equals 2 pi r divided by 2 plus pi r plus 2r, sorry, not pi r. R, you are given diameter, that is 8 centimeter. So radius equals diameter divided by 2, that is 4. So 2 times 3.14 times 4 divided by 2 plus 2 times 4. So that is 8. The correct option is that is 20.56 centimeter. Just do the calculations. So that would be 20.56 centimeter. Option number 2 is the correct option. That would be 20.56. The diameter of the circle is 6 kilometer. What is the semicircle's radius? Radius equals diameter divided by 2. You are given the diameter 6 over 2. So that is 3. The radius is 3. Option number 2 is the correct option. That is R equals 3 kilometer. The radius of the semicircle is 2 inches. What is semicircle's parameter? Just use the formula, that is 2 pi r divided by 2 plus 2r. Replace the variables with the values and parameter equals 10.28. The parameter of the semicircle is 10.28 kilometer. What is the semicircle's radius? Now you are given the parameter, right? The formula to calculate the parameter is 2 pi r divided by 2 plus 2r. You have the parameter given 10.28. You need to calculate the radius. R2 and 2 cancel out. You can take r common from here, that is 2 plus pi. So 2 plus 3.14. Divide both sides. 2 point plus 3.14 is 5.14. Divide both sides by 5.14. So 10.28 divided by 5.14, that is 2. So the correct option is R equals 2 kilometer. Option number 2 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is quarter circles calculate area, parameter, and radius. Parameter of the quarter circle is 10.71. What is the quarter circle's radius? You are given the parameter of the quarter circle. You need to calculate the radius. So the for you that is P equals 2 pi r divided by 4 plus 2r, right? You are given the value of P, replace the variable P that is 10.71 and do the calculations. The correct option is r equals 3. The radius of the quarter circle is 1 yard. What is the quarter circle's parameter? You are given the radius that is 1 yard. You need to calculate the parameter. You have to use the formula that is P equals 2 pi r divided by 4 plus 2r. So just put up the values and do the calculation. The correct option is 3.57 yards. Let's just start with the test questions. The radius of the quarter circle is 5 kilometer. What is the quarter circle's parameter? The formula to use the calculate the parameter for the semicircle is P equals 2 pi r plus 2r, right? So you are given the radius that is 5. So 2 times 3.14 times 5 over 4 plus 2 times 5. So just do the calculations that is 5 times 3.14, that is 17.85 kilometers. The correct option is option number 2, that is 17.85. The parameter of the circle is 3.57 millimeters. What is the quarter circle radius? The formula to calculate the parameter is P equals 2 pi r divided by 4 plus 2r, right? You are given the parameter that is 3.57. So that is pi r over 2 plus 2r. That is 3.14 over 2r plus 2r. So 3.14 divided by 2 is 1.57. Take r common, you are left with 1.57 plus 2. So 1.57 plus 2 is 3.17. So divide both sides by 3.57. That is r equals 1. The correct option is r equals 1. The correct option is 1 millimeter. Option number 2 is the correct option. Okay. The radius of the quarter circle is 1 mile. What is the semicircle's parameter? That is 3.57. Option number 2 is the correct option. The parameter of the quarter circle is 10.71. You are given the parameter that is 10.71. You need to calculate the radius, so that is 2 pi r divided by 4 plus 2r, right? You are given the parameter that is 10.71 equals 3.14 times r divided by 2 and plus 2r. So that is 10.71. 2 times 3.14 is 6.28. No, that is r divided by 2, not multiply to 1.57 plus 2, and you have the radius r. So that is 3.57, right? So 10.71 divided by 3.57. The correct option is 3 miles. Option number 1 is the correct option. That is 3 miles. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is area of compound figures with triangles, semicircles, and quarter circles. So that is the compound figure. Divide the figure into smaller portions and calculate here like this A, B, and C. Now calculate the area of all three figures. Like one of them is two of them, A and B are rectangle and C is the semicircle. Calculate the area of both the rectangles and semicircle. The area of the rectangle is length times width and area of the B is length times width. Calculate the semicircle area of semicircle, that is pi r square divided by 2, that is 14.13. So you just have to add them 550 plus 119 less. So the correct option is 683.13 kilometer. Let's just start with the test questions. What is the area of the figure? So divide the figure into smaller portions like this and then like this. You have A, B, and C. The length from here to here is 24. So that is 9 times 24. The correct option is 206. For this one, that is 4 times 25. That is 100. And now you have to calculate the area of the semicircle, that is, so you just have to add all the areas, right? Area of the semicircle is pi r square. Area of the semicircle is pi r square, right? The pi is 3.14. The radius is 4 square. So 16 times 3.14 equals. So the area of the circle is 153.35. And for this one, that is 9 times 25, that is that is 225 and plus 34 times 24, that is 34 times. So when you do calculations, that is option number 2 is the correct option. That is 328 times 2 2. Option number 2 is the correct option. The correct option is, sorry, that is 322.28 is the correct option, right? Okay, the next one is, what is the area of this figure? So let's just divide this figure into, here is A, here is B, and here is C. Calculate the area of C. 2299. So the B is 14, 22, no, this is 13, right? So 8 and 22, 8, 30 it is. So that is 13 times 30. That is 13 times 30 equals 390. And the area of the triangle is A equals, that is 1 over 2 times length is 19 and base is, so 8, 14 plus 5 is 19, 11 it is. Hold on. That is 11. So 19 times 11 is 209. 209 divided by 2 is 10.104.5. Now just calculate the area. Add the area of all the three shapes, that is 104.35 plus 390 and plus 22 times 9 is 198. So just add all these values, that is 198 plus 390 plus 104.5. The correct option is that is 692.5. Option number 1 is the correct option. That is 692.5. What is the area of this figure? Just do the calculations. So the correct option is 883.13 kilometers. Option number 2 is the correct option. I'm just guessing the answer. Oh, that is 683.13. Okay, the next one is what is the area of this figure? So divide the figure into smaller portions. That would be. Now you have one, two, three, four, and five figures. Just calculate their areas but using their formulas, and you have to do the calculation. So the correct option is Option number 2 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So we were working on grade 7 math. The chapter we were working on is geometric measurements. The lessons we have covered today are semicircle, calculate area, parameter, and radius and diameter. Quarter circles, calculate area, parameter, and radius, and then area of compound figures with triangles, semicircles, and quarter circles. So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we just did. That is your homework until next session. So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can simply click on the live chat button. Tutors are available there to help you, or either you can write down the questions in the chat box for which you need help. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusion. So that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye everyone.